our lovely candidates to award the Best in Production. And for the Best in Production, recognizing the candidate who stood out in the group performance, showing confidence, coordination, and artistry.
For the presentation of the sash for Best in Production number, may we have Miss Leona Jermaine El Manoso, Miss Angela Martina, and Miss Romeo John Cusariano on stage.
The award for Best in Production number, Category A Female Candidate, is presented to... Let me hear your voice, Mia Bian, who's your man? Shouting numbers is presented to candidate number 1. Congratulations, candidate number 1. Next is for the Best in Production number, Category A Male Candidate is candidate number 3. And now, for the Best in Production number, Category B.